जैसे intense workout activities।
Namaste guys, welcome to a new Indian lifestyle vlog. Today we're making a very traditional Indian breakfast that's extremely healthy and popular in rural India. This dish is called Aloo Bathua Poori. Bathua and methi are green leafy vegetables that grow during winter and are packed with nutrients. First, we mix wheat flour with finely chopped bathua and methi leaves. Then we add potatoes and spices to make the dough. Once the dough is ready, we roll small portions into flatbreads and fry them in hot oil until they turn golden green. This is one of India's most loved winter breakfast dishes. Crispy, delicious, and very healthy. While the puris are frying, we're also making Indian chai. Look at this boil. Morning tea in India hits differently. And finally, our Aloo Bathua Poori are ready. Just look at that color. Fresh, green, and mouth-watering. I like eating these puris with sauce and hot tea. And trust me guys, the taste is unbelievable. If you ever visit India, you must try this dish. And if you do, I promise I'll make it for you myself. Let me know in the comments. Would you like to try this Indian breakfast? If you enjoy real Indian lifestyle and culture, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next vlog. Namaste and take care.